Guided single crochet lesson. How to make a headband. Materials needed. Size I crochet hook, number 4 yarn, a darning needle, and scissors. Now would be a good time to download and print lesson 2 printouts. Make a slip knot. With size I hook, chain 5. You will begin your first row by making a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. Single crochet in each of the last 3 chains. Chain 1 and turn. You will notice that you have made 4 single crochets. Row 2. Single crochet in the first stitch and in each stitch across for a total of 4 stitches made. Again, chain 1 and turn. You will repeat row 2 until your piece measures 19 inches. Make sure to count your stitches each row so that you only have 4 single crochets for each row. Once your piece is 19 inches long, end off by cutting the working yarn about 12-inch long and draw the end through the last loop on the hook. You will be using the 12-inch tail for sewing the ends together. Weave in the beginning tail using a darning needle. Snip off any remnants of the beginning tail. Thread the 12-inch tail into the darning needle and match the narrow ends together, being careful not to twist the headband. Sew through both ends to join. Secure the tail and weave in. Snip off any loose ends. Great job on finishing your first single crochet project. Now that you've gotten the hang of things, you can practice your new skills by working on another project. In the Lesson 2 printout section, you'll find a project called Practice, a single crochet hair bow. Print it out and give it a try. This will help you solidify your skills and build confidence. Good luck and have fun!